Hey again everybody, this is KTG Tutorials again with another video. I know I haven't made any tutorials in a while, and this is my new channel, so I hope y'all are ready to go again. Hope y'all like my new wallpaper. I'm probably going to change it because it's getting old, but just I hope you're excited because my next tutorials or videos and everything are going to be on the new Call of Duty Black Ops, maybe some other Call of Duty and Adobe F. How to get all the Adobe programs for free. Cause I have like all the Adobe programs. So yeah. Just like, comment, subscribe, and get ready for my new videos because they will be good and I can't wait. Everybody, have a good day.